Now, having run in all directions, what does the child do? He finds a shrine. Shrine means a place of worship. Could be a temple, could be a mosque, or could be a church. Anyway. So he finds a shrine and he notices that many people are moving into the shrine. So this time what does he do? He moves into the shrine. So as the people are moving into the shrine, the passage or the entrance to the shrine is a very small narrow place and there isn't much place for the people to move around. So what is happening as the people are moving? The people are hitting each other with their elbows and their shoulders, so they are fully jammed inside. The child, which is a very small child, is getting crumpled in between all these people. So he is trying to move over there. He is crying in loud roars. He is crying over there. He is calling out for his parents. And in that all confusion and commotion, a kind man, an elderly person, notices this child is getting squeezed up in between all these people, and he lifts up this child and he asks this child, what happened? Why are you crying? Where are your parents? He takes the child outside the shrine and asks him questions about who he is, where he has come from, and such things. But the child is just continuously crying. He's just asking for his parents and he's keeping on crying. And he says that I want to find my parents, I want my parents, I want my parents. He's just crying. Now this man, who is a very kind and considerate person, what he does is that he wants to stop the child from crying. So he takes the child to divert his attention. Again, to change his attention, what does the man do? He takes the child to different places. He takes the child to the sweetmeat seller and asks him, shall I buy sweets for you? The child cries, no, I want my parents. He takes the child to the balloon seller. He asks him, shall I buy balloons for you? The child is again roaring and crying and saying, no, I want my parents. He takes the child to the flower seller. He asks, see, look how beautiful flowers are there. Shall I buy flowers for you? The child does not want flowers either. He wants his parents. He takes the child to the snake charmer. He tells, now keep quiet and listen to the snake charmer. See the music he is playing. Again, the child does not want all these things. He says, I want my father, I want my mother. So at this point the story ends. Okay, we do not know whether the child finds the parents or not, but let us hope that being with a very kind man and the parents also, so since they have lost the child, they would come in search of the child, and the parents and the child will find each other and it would end happily for them. Let's hope that that is the end of the story. But here we find that there is a lost child in the fair and he is crying for his parents. Now, what do we understand from this chapter? What are the things that we learn from here? It's a very simple story told in a very simple manner, and the basic theme or the ideology expressed through this story is that the importance of parents in one's life. In the beginning, the child wanted a number of things, material things, but when he loses his parents and he is given a chance to get these material things, sweets or balloons or flowers or anything that he wanted, the man was ready to buy it for him. The child says, no, I want my father, I want my mother. So this shows that material things cannot replace the love and concern that your parents are giving to you. Nothing can replace the love of your parents. Parents are very important in our life. In fact, we cannot carry on our life without our parents at any age. It is not only at a young age, even at adulthood. Even if your parents are very old and sick, still you would want your parents. So the need for your parents is always there, and the need for your parents is greater than the need for anything else in your life. So that is the basic theme of the story. So with this we are ending our chapter. So a test paper is attached. I want all of you to attempt it. URL of the chapter is attached. That also you can watch. And keep studying hard, work hard and be good children. Thank you and have a nice day.